Hello friends, Lisa here with another unboxing haul video. I've had a lovely box come today from Papermaze. Woohoo, exciting. I ordered this, let me think, in the evening 2 days ago, so really quick delivery as ever from Papermaze, and I'm excited to show you what's inside. I've opened the box up and I have actually taken my delivery note out, but other than that I haven't really looked. So a couple of things in here, a couple of bags. I've got loads of these bags now. If anyone has any ideas what to do with them, I don't want to throw them away, but you know, I can't think what to do with them. Okay, so at the bottom I've got the May kit, and I've got some add-ons that I bought as well. So I'll show you the add-ons first. Move the kit out of the way. This is Create 365 Happy Planner storage pouch. I am in love with my Happy Planner. I absolutely adore it. This is my planner. It's a dated one. I had an 18-month one, but I only keep about 9 months actually in there at the time. And what I wanted was something for when I've got it at work, so I can keep pens and pencils closer by. They'd got some that snapped in, but I wanted this one because it's like a pouch. Yeah, I can see that working. I like the spots as well. Fantastic. And it's just a pencil case. Really pleased with that. Okay, so that's my first purchase. My second one is a set of different papers. Now, I watched a video from Lisa from Lollipop Box Club, who was designing for Papermaze using a lot of these papers to make a Disney book. So I've ordered a lot of the same papers. So Papermaze, Lisa, your marketing worked. I've bought stuff. So a lot of these are from, or I think all of them are from the Echo Park Disney collections. I think they're all Magical Adventure. So you can see at the bottom, this one's called Border Strips, and on the back, there we go, lots of border strips. I'll try and link up to Lisa's video at the bottom. I've got lots of Disney collections, but I just wanted the same ones, so I've been and bought them. This is again Magical Adventure, and this is the sticker sheet, element stickers. It's not quite the same one that Lisa had, but I'm happy that it's very similar. And this is Magical Adventure again. This is called Festive Banners. Lovely, look at that. I love the colour on that. The next one, okay, this is the collections that I think Lisa used. Wish Upon a Star, still Echo Park. So this is like little spangles. And then on the other side you've got all of these. I love that. Let's get goofy. And I like that, the old style cassette tape. Fantastic. This one is 4x6 journaling cards with a plaid on the back, or check on the back, and then bigger journaling cards. Fantastic. If you've got ears, say cheers. Oh, look at this one. Look at those spots. This is called Best Day Buttons. And those are the buttons. Meeting the Mouse, Wish Upon a Star. Fantastic to cut those out. That's going to be happening. Now this one's border strips, and it's the yellow spots on the back, and again some more strips on the front. Love the tickets. Love the smile. Look at that little camera, that is so cute. You see that? Next one is again Wish Upon a Star, and it's called Dream Big. So there's that's very Minnie Mouse on the back, and on the other side lots of words and lots of little icons. I just love this cassette tape that keeps turning up all over the place, and the typewriter, very in vogue at the moment. Ooh, look at those spots. This one's called Magic Castles, so guess what's going to be on the other side? Yay! Magic Castles. Love it. Best bit of going to Disney for me was seeing that castle. Say Cheese, this one's called. I love the stripe. Oh, I'd forgotten I'd ordered that. It's all those cute little cameras. How sweet are they? Superb. They're going to be cut out. Then we have smile words, lots of bows on the back, and lots of lovely words on the other side. Photographs, say cheese, happiness starts here, every picture tells a story. Lovely. I'm loving this aqua colour in it. You sort of get the yellow and the black and the red and the white. Those are very Disney colours, but this aqua is fantastic as well. And then the last one I bought, which is called Tickets. So no prizes for guessing what's on the other side of these lovely Mickey hearts. Tickets! Yay! Didn't we know that was going to happen? Fantastic. So again, great for cutting out. Love the colours. They're all going to work so well together. Watch this space. I'm going to be happily lifting away and doing something very similar to Lisa's mini book. I've got some pictures in mind, some photos, and these are my papers. Superb. Right, so that's my Disney lot. Let's have a look at this month's kit. My desk has a glass top on it, and you can, in the reflection, you can see the cat's scratch pole. Great. As I was saying before I got distracted by something shiny, I have reviewed a few of these now, and I really do like the kits from Papermaze. They're a tenner each, which I think is really good value. You don't get the full embellishment sets that you do in some of the other kits, but I think they are nicely put together. The colours work well together. I'm really pleased with the ones I've had in the past. So I will do the papers first, and then we'll look at the embellishments. This is just stunning. Simple stories. I am choosing happiness. All these beautiful butterflies, and hopefully, I don't know if you can pick that up. I think you can. There is some rose gold foiling on those. Not on every one, but enough to make a real difference. And look at that branding strip. That's barbershop stripe in pink. Superb. And on the back of that, hey, more of the barbershop stripe. Really like that. In fact, so much so I wish I'd ordered an extra one of those, because that background is fantastic. Let's put that over there. Next one is Papermaze. Okay, so what I'm going to say about this, initial thoughts, this isn't as thick. This is much more papery, and usually you get a heavy paper with 12 by 12s. This is a lot thinner, but it's very pretty. Papermaze Fleur collection, and it's called So Amazing. So we've got a beautiful day spent with you. I mean, that's just crying out for a photo, isn't it? But then the flip side is brilliant as well. Look at that. Pink bricks. Fantastic. I'm going to put that there. Okay, let's put these so you can see them. There we go. Next one. This one, this is interesting. This is Authentique Collection Beginnings. Beginnings for two-sided paper. And at the top it's got a little quote. A new baby is like the beginning of all things. Wonder, hope, a dream of possibilities. Ida Lashan. Nice. It's got patchwork. Little diamonds. Pretty little colours. Yeah. That's nicer than I thought it was going to be, actually. That wasn't my favourite one when I looked at it online, but that's really pretty. And the back of that is a very detailed greeny aqua. And next is this one. I love that branding strip. This is one that I've got from another kit collection that I subscribe to, or that I've bought. I can't remember which one, but I've definitely seen this paper before. It's gorgeous though. Dear Lizzie, stay colourful flower child. Lots of lovely little pretty flowers. And on the back, an aqua green with little teeny dotted daisies on it. And a branding strip to die for. Liking that one. Then there are 2 sheets of paper with the kit, and I think this is the 2 that came with it. It's 2 sheets of card rather. This is cream puff textured linen, and this one is guacamole. I'm loving that green. Okay, next on to the papers we have this one, which is a Pink Fresh Studios one. Let Your Heart Decide, and it's called Whim. And that's like a peachy pink. design. Really like that. Like those green. And on the background, there's these gorgeous, gorgeous. What are they? Hills, banners, clouds. Could be a million different things, couldn't they? So I'm liking the look of those, and they're in a, it's like a creamy background, and then this yellowy orange. Next up, this is the last paper, another Simple Stories I Am sheet. I've got some of the embellishments from this set, so I'm quite pleased that I've got these. They all match nicely. It's 4x6 vertical elements, and we've got I am my own kind of beautiful, I am grateful, blessed, thankful. I love this. I am confident, I am lovable, I am unique, I am me. Loving that. And then the background, look at that. That's just so nice. Lovely spots. And then look at that for a nice branding strip. I am lovable. Yeah, so that's the papers. Then I have the add-on cardstock each time, just because it's a really nice set of cardstock that matches so well. There's a black, which is smooth on one side and textured on the other. And then 3 Basils. The top one is called Whirlpool. I've had Whirlpool before. Loving that colour. Then we have Pinkini. That's a very girly pink. And this one is Glow. Yeah. So, let's pull that down a bit. That's the kit. That's the papers. And they're the embellishments. There is a little washi tape strip. Fantastic. I've got the paper that matches that, which is like little clouds with tiny little black dots on it. Fantastic. Then I have a little bag full of goodies. Let's tip them out. We've got Hello. That's nice. Let's just move this up so you can see everything. Yeah. We've got So You, which is sticky on the back. I've got a Fabulous. Loving that. I've got 2 little like seals, sticky backed. One's got a little birdie, a little bee on it, and the other one's got a crown. Then we have some big chunky numbers, bingo tiles. Fantastic they are. There's a little strip of you see those? Little strip of black and wooden. I can't tell what they're made of. Yeah, maybe wood. They're sticky backed as well. Then I've got some dewdrops in black. They're fab. Some pearls and some flowers. So there's a couple of ribbon ones and some paper ones. The paper ones are pretty. Oh, and a strip of ribbon as well. A little strip of ribbon. So that's my kit. Quite pleased with that. I think for a tenner, and then I think it's £1.75 for the add-on paper cardstock. That's not bad going. So I'll let you know how I get on with them. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.